Shout out to Crocs. I need a collab. Yo, what's going on, y'all? Cameraman Stood checking in. We gonna shoot a music video tonight.
Yo, D-Mac on the fucking track. Real shit. Tell the world, 500 block, man. Tick-tock time. Post-traumatic stress, I'm shell-shocked from the action. Whether it's gun blasting or fist fighting, battles quick to punch a nigga in this shit before we know what happened.
Up here in PrimaPhonix, shooting a video with Johnny Euro right here.
Fools and all.
How much you know about the fools though? Here's Stoodvisions, we out here, Grimlight behind the camera, PrimaPhonix, shout out Sub-Zero for the support over the last 20 years. You already know what time it is.
Bang, bang.
Fools though.
Punch a nigga in this shit before we know what happened. Bad tempo rapping ain't the only way that I be snapping. Different bitches in my life have me stressing sometimes. I'm faithful, but I really love you if I gave you a dime. But it hurt me when they cheat back. I know I shouldn't repeat that, baby. I want you all to myself. That's 1 week. I'm forever too player to let it get the best of me. Good dick and gift the gab, my hypnotizer recipe. She ain't never had a pussy, ate while whipping the phone. Spend my time, meet the traveler. In the pussy a gambler. Club nights, popping bottles, who the main attraction? In the stand my direction, see me in the fly fashion. Hit his plans, but don't stand a chance against a greater man. I'ma move me round it, but that's how I'm gonna handle it. Position yourself as a boss, be harder to capture. Spend my time, meet the traveler. In some pussy a gambler. Club nights, popping bottles, who the main attraction? In the stand my direction, see me in the fly fashion. Hit his plans, but don't stand a chance against a greater man. Mama moved me round as a child, always knew on the campus. I learned early on, they try you make an example. Keep it real and know you say it, only lead by example. Paint vivid pictures, only the truth shall touch my canvas. I'm last. Let shine. Alright, hold on. Big Euro, big stuff.
I know you're still warming up, so we'll do this dice game. Keep it going.
Really play.
That ain't it. That ain't enough for you walk. That ain't enough for you walk right there, boy.
Enough of that.
Oh, that's fire. That's that dead fire. That's that dead fire. That's fire. No.
I'm trying to tell you. Oh no. Oh no. It's in the bless you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Get my chain. Get my chain.
Out the gate. That line on. Stop it. Now we're gonna add that up. Up. Crap. Crap. You think you got enough footage?
Yeah.
Holding hands while shopping make her feel like a chore. When I beat it, she be screaming like my dick is enormous. Trust issues, so I can't believe it when she tell me it's yours. Ever since Lorraine left, I swear my heart been so torn. Hopeless, romantic, still live every other night like a porn. Every day like a crime flick, caught up in street politics. Niggas get robbed, probably my partners who did the shit. Niggas get shot, most likely my squadron I sent to hit. In a blizzard of current events, no time for me to reminisce. Stick to the script when the plug drop the package. Run it to the hood like I'm too good for hand to hand. Nah, my nigga, not at all, but that's how I'm gon' handle it. Position yourself as a boss, be harder to capture. Spend my time, meet